This thing's gonna be big.
This is 5 foot tall.
Look how round it is, though.
How round is that?
This is gonna be a monstrosity.
Hey, I got sent over a 7-tier rotating shoe rack. I'm gonna get it put together and check it out.
That was aggressive.
Very well packaged, that's for sure. Are you gonna help? Nope, the camera's running. Assembly instructions for rotating shoe rack. Some nice white gloves. Feels real smooth. Real smooth finish on it. Is it a jigsaw puzzle?
Yeah, pretty much.
Are these lettered or, well, they're all the same.
No, they're not all the same. Do they not have letters on them?
Yep. Ease.
Because there's
Ease and a B.
B's, C's, and E's.
These are all 1B and all rest are C's.
Yeah, because we only use 1B. This thing's gonna be big.
This is 5 foot tall.
Look how round it is, though.
How round is that?
This is gonna be a monstrosity.
A monstrosity. Yeah, you're right. 24. Well, it's like 24 and a half, but they're going to call it 24.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the top. It feels like store display.
Yeah, kind of a fiberglassy.
Kind of a plastic coated. That should be a D.
D.
All the rest of them should be a D except for A.
So does it have a floor? Is that the floor?
A is the floor.
So we're looking for an A. Wait, I think I just found it.
Is that spin?
Yep, A.
Okay, you need to turn that over. And then we're going to take B. There you go. Now, we need C.
I just want to see.
And it sits on there like that.
There you go, now hit it. Now one of the circles.
We need a D.
These are all D's, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, these.
E. Ready?
Well, this is not too hard to do.
No.
Pretty like building blocks. Yeah.
No.
No. Oh, no. Yeah.
That's not right. They've got to turn it over.
You can't go over.
Can we now?
No. The slot's got to be sliding down in there. Okay, so we spoke too soon. You do have to get those lined up right. Well, really, you could make them short, or you could go as high as you wanted.
Yeah. It does look like something like from JCPenney's or
Yeah.
Walmart with t-shirts on it or...
Mm-hmm. And really, if you were setting this up for a store, you could transport it in pieces and then just snap it together. So the long, okay, the close end is going to go down there. You know, closest to the end. Yeah, it feels pretty cool. We got a display case. Or you could use it for a dinner table. A breakfast table.
Cool that it ain't got screws or nothing.
Mm-mm.
My mother would be drooling over this.
Okay.
I don't believe I got that on there the right First time. That's crazy.
We look like professionals.
Yep.
I am really impressed with how easy that really was. One person could do this pretty easy. Two makes it better, but one could do it. And that is really nice. This is like a display at a store or something. It's got that plasticky coat on it. It's heavy as a whole unit, but easily turns. You could use it in a kid's room. You could use it in a store display. And just y'all saw how easy it went together. I am impressed. It very easily went together. We'll get some shoes and put on it and see how much it takes out for adult size shoes. And that will give you an idea that you can always go from bigger to smaller. You could even stick a wise owl up on the top. All right, well, we just counted it. So you could put like 28 pairs of shoes or whatever. And these are like larger shoes, like a size 9. So as you can see, you have plenty of room. You can put shoes up here too, or if you have bigger purses that wouldn't fit between here, this is about 8.5 inches right here. This opening is roughly, well, from the edge to the edge is about 14 inches. So it's going to be a little wider, a little narrow when you get up in there. From the floor to the top is about 5 foot 3.5 inches. So 63.5 inches, give or take. It's really nice. We definitely like this. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.